All right, boys and girls, let's get ready to do Math Boxes 7.2. All right, for number 1, okay, we just have some equations here that we have to complete. So, if you remember, we have to do parentheses. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So parentheses come first. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Putting down our new equation, 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 29 minus 20 plus 3, or 20 plus 3 is 23. So 29 minus 23, and that would equal 6. 7 plus 3 is 10, and 10 times 2 would be 20. 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 minus 6 is, and 25 minus 6 equals your 19. All right, number 2, 3 fish tanks have 9 fishes in each. 1 more tank has 5 fish. How many fish are there in all? All right, so we know there's 3 fish tank and they have 9 fish in them. So we have 3 times 9, okay? And then 1 more tank has 5, so plus 5. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. So this would be your equation. 3 times 9 would be 3 groups, 3 tanks, times the 9 fish in each tank, plus the 5 would give me the total number of fish. So 3 times 9, go ahead and erase that. 3 times 9 equals 27, and 27 plus 5 equals 32, and 32 is my number of fish. Okay, number 3, Erin helped her brother with homework. They worked for more than half an hour and finished at 6:50. Fill in the circles next to the time they could have started. Okay, so they finished at 6:50 and it took more than 30 minutes. So if you look at, take 30 minutes off of that, 6:20 would be the because it said more than 30. Okay, so 6:20 would be the earliest, so we could have started at 6:05. That would be more than 20 minutes. 6:15 would be more, okay, but the other two would not work. Okay, number 4, we just have to solve our equations. Okay, 3 times 5 is the same thing as 5 times 3. Okay, 3 times 6, which equals 18. What do I multiply by 9 to get to 18? That is 2. And then 45 divided by what equals 9? Well, we know it ends in a 5, so it has to be a multiple of 5. So if we skip count by that, there we go, it's 5. And what times 4 equals 48 minus 24? Well, first let's figure out what 48 minus 24 is, which is equal to 24. So 6 times 4 equals 24. All right, and for our last one here, it says Julie divided this rectilinear puppy pin into 2 smaller rectangles. Some of the sides are not labeled. How long is the blue side? Okay, so if I look at this and I say, okay, well, I know this full length here would be 9. So this full length has to be 9 also. All right, so if I know this part of the line is 4, then what plus 4 equals 9? And that would be 5. Okay, so this would be 5 feet. Okay, how did we know that? Okay, and we knew that because I know the length of the opposite side is 9. So if I take 9 minus 4, that would give me the 5. Okay, so the area of the whole entire square So here we would have the 6 times 9, which equals 54. And down here we would have 4 times 5 equals 20. And to figure out the whole area, I would have to do 54 plus 20, and that would equal 74. And remember, that is square feet because we're finding area. All right, boys and girls, that concludes Math Boxes 7.2.